Still calculating volumes manually in AutoCAD? What if you could select multiple areas, enter thickness, and instantly generate a fully organized volume table like this on your screen? In this video, I'll show you how to automate everything using one simple Lisp, saving you hours of work in just a few clicks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful AutoCAD trick using AutoLISP that will completely change how you calculate volumes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automatically number your elements, calculate volume in cubic meters, and generate a clean volume table like the one you see here. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Load the Lisp file. First, you need to load the Lisp file. Type apt load. Press enter. Select the Lisp file. You can download it from the link in the description. Click Load. Once loaded, you're ready to use the command. Step 2. Prepare your drawing. Make sure your drawing contains closed polylines or regions. This is very important because the Lisp calculates area first, then multiplies it by thickness to get volume. Step 3. Run the command. Now type the command vol table. Press enter. Select all the shapes you want to calculate one by one. You can select one element or multiple elements one by one. Then press enter. Now AutoCAD will ask you to enter the thickness for each element. Then click inside each shape in same order you already selected to place the numbering. This helps link each shape to the table. Let me show you how. Step 4. Insert the volume table. After finishing all elements, AutoCAD will ask you to pick insertion point for table. Click anywhere in your drawing. And boom! Your volume table is created automatically. Now let's adjust the table size and text height to look much better. Now you have element number, area in square meters, thickness in meters, volume in cubic meters, and a total volume at the bottom. Everything is calculated instantly and accurately. If you found this tool useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AutoCAD automation tips. And if you want the Lisp file, check the link in the description. See you in the next video.